Some animals have real superpowers that can even make Batman jealous. The incredible abilities of these creatures may seem like things from the comics, but they are real. Watch now the 7 animals with superpowers. Welcome to the Bazinga world. Reindeer vision. Although humans can only see wavelengths of about 400 nanometers in a limited field of view, reindeer can see wavelengths of up to 320 nanometers. This allows them to see things that can only be seen with the help of black light. In addition, researchers at the University of London found that they are the only mammals that can distinguish ultraviolet light. A clear line of sight helps you survive in Arctic areas, where the light is strong. The reindeer is an animal that is about 2 meters long, 68 centimeters tall and weighs more than 170 kilograms. If we compare males and females, you may find that females are smaller and less heavy than males. The reindeer has large horns in both males and females, which makes it attractive. However, in females, the horns are smaller. Reindeer are herbivores, that is, they only feed on vegetables, such as grasses, shrubs and lichens. They usually exhibit selective behavior when eating, choosing plants with flower buds and unfolded leaves. In winter, these animals usually feed on carbohydrate-rich lichens. The reindeer is currently listed as a vulnerable species on the Red List of Threatened Species of the IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. According to this classification, if protective measures are not taken, reindeer can become extinct in the wild. Cuttlefish camouflage. Cuttlefish can change the color. It does this to disguise itself and avoid dangerous predators, but it can also use it to attract females during the mating season. As the environment and landscape change, so does it. It can not only change the color, but also the texture of the skin itself. It manages to blend in with the coral so perfectly that predators don't even notice their presence. The color change applies not only to predators, but also to deal with other cuttlefish and even octopuses and squid in the dangerous territory. The cuttlefish is a very intelligent and insightful animal, possessing a variety of skills to deal with the environment in which it lives. The cuttlefish can change color almost immediately, and it does not have to be done regularly. When the blood system and cells move, everything changes color. These colors fascinate your prey and make you fall into hypnosis. The cuttlefish takes the opportunity to approach and devour the hypnotized animal. Another interesting factor of the cuttlefish is that it can swim in different ways and position itself in different shapes and poses, gaining more hostile characteristics to deal with predators, and it even looks like an animal approaching and attacking. The sixth sense of bats. Bats have a sixth sense called echolocation, by sonar, which stimulates the production of ultrasound and sonar. Bats emit ultrasonic waves through their mouths or nostrils, hit obstacles and return in the form of echoes. It picks up these sounds, so it can orient itself. Bats are the only mammals capable of flying. These nocturnal animals have very keen hearing and use echolocation to capture their prey. Bats can have different eating habits, such as eating fruits, insects, fish and even blood. Bats are very important for the ecosystem because they play a role in the pollination process of certain species and, in addition to assisting in the dispersion of seed, they are extremely important for the dynamics and regeneration of the forest. The regeneration of sea cucumber usually lives on rocks near the area between tides, half buried in the sand. It feeds on organic debris located in the sand and also ingests it. When environmental conditions are unfavorable or in the presence of predators, it eliminates most of the internal organs. Most notably, it manages to regenerate these eliminated organs. Compared to starfish, sea cucumbers belong to echinoderms. Its body is a dark cylinder, with many feet active in the ventral region and several tubers on the back. In the frontal area, the mouth is surrounded by many tentacles. There is an opening in the cloaca in the posterior region. The sea cucumber is an invertebrate, which means that it has no spine. The length of these animals is 2 to 200 centimeters, and the thickness of 1 to 20 centimeters. Most species have 5 rows of tubular feet, similar to cows. Sea cucumbers generally move very slowly. Some deep-water species can swim. Hyena's iron stomach. Your stomach can digest the hardest parts of food, including bones. In fact, eating bones makes hyena feces 2 colors. The hammer-shaped jaw breaks bones, and the highly acidic stomach digests fragments. Across Africa, the most successful hunters are hyenas, intelligent and caring, with complex social relationships comparable to primates. Alpha female puppies inherit social status directly below their mother, which is similar to the situation in the monarchy. The sound of laughter can leave the hyena community intact. This unique cry can recruit more hyenas by fighting lions, announcing the health of the males, or just reporting the location to other hyenas. They are mammals, known for their ingenuity and immunity to pathogens that can kill other animals, such as distemper or rabies. Therefore, they have become the object of research, but also because they allow scientists to understand the evolution of mammals. Finding food is an important part of the spotted hyena's diet. They can smell a corpse from 3 kilometers away, and a mule will consume a third of their body weight and consume everything except teeth and horns. In addition, they have also developed survival techniques, such as hiding the remains of prey on the banks of the rivers so that other carnivores do not smell, so that they can be kept for several days. Peregrine falcon speed. During the flight, it can reach 160 kilometers per hour. However, we can be impressed when this bird dives into the air to catch prey. In this case, its speed reaches 320 kilometers per hour. In addition to flying very fast, the peregrine falcon is also very resistant. That's because he travels more than 20,000 kilometers during his migration. The young hawk's feathers are almost brown, the back is darker, the abdomen contains brown stripes. The wax is bluish-gray and the color is light yellow. The menu of this bird is very varied, including birds, bats, small mammals, fish and insects. As a predator, it is considered one of the most efficient animals in nature at incredible speed, because when it flies into the air to dive for prey, it also becomes the fastest animal in the world. The peregrine falcon is a medium-sized daytime bird of prey that can be found on all continents except Antarctica. This species prefers habitats in mountainous or coastal areas, but it can also be found in large cities like New York. Tardigrade resistance. Tardigrade can withstand temperatures ranging from absolute 0, -273.15 degrees Celsius, to 150 degrees Celsius. They can withstand a pressure of 6,000 atmospheres and 5,000 grays of radiation, which is about 1,000 times the pressure that humans can withstand. It is really very impressive. The life expectancy of the tardigrade is very short. However, as their survival features include complete dormancy, self-shrinkage and dehydration, shutting down all of their biological systems and processes, they can survive for many years by encountering organisms with poor environmental conditions. Maintain most animal life and maintain a recessive state. It is in this state that they can withstand extreme environmental conditions and reborn after replacing water in the future. Tardigrades can live almost anywhere. They prefer to live on the bottom of lakes, damp moss or other sediments in humid environments. They can be protected from radiation, boiling liquids, pressures up to 6 times the pressure in the deepest part of the ocean, and even the effects of space vacuum. When exposed to space vacuum and radiation, certain tardigrade species can survive in low Earth orbit for 10 days. Nature really enchants us, both with landscapes and animals. If you like nature as much as I do, watch the video about the 7 most beautiful places to visit in South America. And guys, I am preparing a special video about animals, and the only way you can be notified when this video comes out is by subscribing to the channel. By doing this you will also be helping and supporting me. That's it guys, see you later.